This is a Mendix application developed in low code that extends our MES solution called OpCenter Execution Medical Device and Diagnostics. This app provides additional capabilities to manage the sterilization process in OpCenter through an easy-to-use application that can be personalized without any heavy lifting. With this demo, we will illustrate how different personas, in this case a warehouse operator and a supplier, can come together to ship and sterilize medical device products while keeping the whole chain of custody on track. You will also see how we tie into systems in real time. This app connects to both OpCenter Execution for the manufacturing data as well as SAP for supplier information. We developed this app with a strong focus on the operator's user's experience, hence the tablet mobile format. With all that said, let's get started. We start the sterilization process with John, a warehouse operator at the manufacturer site who's been informed that he needs to sterilize specific medical devices. Clicking the Sterilization Loads button, John can see that several items are currently being worked on. For the purpose of this demo, John will create a new sterilization load. The Mendix app was designed to help John with this process by providing all the necessary instructions to him through a wizard. This capability makes it a lot easier for John and any new employees to follow the required process without the need for extensive training or oversight. Next, John needs to assign manufacturer lots to the new sterilization load. This app lists all the appropriate and eligible child lots available in the MES system for John to complete this step. As soon as John hits assign, the app will return all required data back to the MES system, and product-specific palletization instructions are made available to John while he completes this sterilization load. There's no need for John to go look up those in another system, making both the process efficient and the user experience unique. Start and end dates have been filled in. As John moves forward, he now has to select the supplier who will execute the actual sterilization. The application has reached out to SAP asking for all the other vendors that could be used for this job and made that list available to John. There are only 2 suppliers available, and since John likes the first choice, he can simply move forward by assigning it. As soon as this assignment has been made, the application will communicate this back to the MES system, as well as make all detailed information complete and available, such as including what lots have been allocated, as well as any associated information from both the OpCenter MES system or SAP. At this point, John's ready to go. He prints the QR code and the manifest and takes both to the side of the shipping pallet to start the physical shipping process, as well as get the data routed to the supplier who will execute the actual sterilization. In this case, Victoria will receive a notification of this new pending sterilization job. When the truck pulls up, she will be ready to go using the same app as her portal with different levels of access and specific authorizations. We will now switch to Victoria. She doesn't have to do any extensive searching to find all the allocated loads to her organization. The portal shows her immediately what loads are in progress and which ones are new and assigned to her. She can now start the receiving process of the new sterilization load by confirming that the QR code matches. Victoria actually has a checklist telling her exactly what needs to be done to check content for damage, verify the manifest, and capture any notes. The load is now ready for the actual sterilization process, and Victoria can capture the electronic paper trail using a detailed checklist as well as clear and specific instructions for the sterilization. This critical information and instructions are made available to Victoria without the need to go to any other system. Moving forward, Victoria completes the process, captures that there were no errors, and as she hits next, she can generate the last additional elements of the process. Again, the checklist walks her through the required steps in the process, capturing critical notes and generating the certificate of compliance and conformance. The generated certificate is now available to Victoria for review, making sure all the signatures and supporting information is correct and complete. All this information is stored securely. Once completed and with the QR code back on the pallet for shipping back to the manufacturing site, Victoria is now ready to physically get the sterilized load on track back to the manufacturer, as well as route all associated data to John, who can continue to complete the process. And with that, you hopefully have seen how Mindex can help affect a critical process by connecting systems and providing a unique user experience aimed at making all the steps efficient and 100% adhered to, with the option to personalize and customize with ease.